Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Universe of Physics. Now I am going to discuss one more question of NEET 2020. In that, let us consider the question number 14, that is the Brewster's angle IB for an interface should be option A, the Brewster's angle is greater than 45 degree and less than 90 degree. Option B, the Brewster's angle is equal to 90 degree. Option C, the Brewster's angle is greater than 0 degree and less than 30 degree. And option D, the Brewster's angle is greater than 30 degree and less than 45 degree. To solve this question, that is, what is Brewster's angle or what is polarizing angle? We know that a particular angle of incidence, a particular angle of incidence at which the reflected ray is completely plane polarized is known as polarizing angle or Brewster's angle. Polarizing angle or Brewster's angle, that is the particular angle of incidence at which the reflected ray is completely plane polarized is known as polarizing angle or Brewster's angle. To understand this, let us consider it is an interface and this is unpolarized light. And it incident on this interface, and this is the normal draw, and this unpolarized light incident on this interface, it is the refracted ray and this is the reflected ray. This is reflected ray and this is refracted ray. This is the angle of incidence and this is angle of reflection, and this is angle of refraction, and this is completely plane polarized light. This is partially plane polarized light. Here P, Q and T, and the angle between this reflected ray and refracted ray is equal to 90 degree. Here this is the unpolarized light, it incident on this interface. The reflected ray is completely polarized, plane polarized, whereas the refracted ray is partially polarized. And we know that this angle of incidence we called as Brewster's angle. That is, Brewster's angle is a particular angle of incidence at which the reflected ray is completely plane polarized is known as that Brewster's angle or polarizing angle. And the statement of this Brewster's angle is, that is, it states that the tangent of the polarizing angle, is equal to the refractive index of the reflecting medium. The refractive index of the reflecting medium. This is the statement of Brewster's law. That is, the tangent of the polarizing angle is equal to the refractive index of the reflecting medium. That is, here n is equal to tan IP. Tan IP. Here is the refractive index of the reflecting medium and tangent of the polarizing angle. That is equal to tangent of the polarizing angle. And in this case, the Brewster's angle or at polarizing angle, the reflected and refracted rays, refracted rays are perpendicular to each other, It means the angle between the reflected ray and the refracted ray is equal to 90 degree. At polarizing angle, the reflected and refracted ray are perpendicular to each other. That is nothing but the angle between this reflected ray and refracted ray almost equal to 90 degree. And we know that here n is equal to tan IP. That is from statement of Brewster's law. That is, the tangent of the polarizing angle is equal to the refractive index of the reflecting medium. That is, n is equal to tan IP. And we know that the refractive index is always greater than 1 and which is less than infinity. We can write here the refractive index, that is n, which is greater than 1 and less than infinity. And we know that here n is equal to tan IP. That is, instead of n we can write here tan IP. And again, here we can write tan inverse of 1 is less than IP, which is less than tan inverse of infinity. So we know that tan inverse of 1 is nothing but tan of which angle is equal to 1. We know that tan of which angle is equal to 1? That is 45 degree, and which is less than IP. And we know that tan inverse of infinity is nothing but tan of which angle is equal to infinity. So the tan 90 is equal to infinity. So we can write here 90 degree. So here the polarizing angle is always greater than 45 degree and less than 90 degree. Polarizing angle is always greater than 45 degree and less than 90 degree. So the correct option for this question is, that is option A. That is, polarizing angle is always less than 45 degree, greater than 45 degree and less than 90 degree. Okay friends, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you.